Hi guys, welcome to another new episode of Indian Mom in Sweden. And today I'm going to show you how I make my easy strawberry jam, and I'm sure you're going to love it. So let's go into the kitchen. So I have taken 2 or 3 handfuls of strawberry over here, and when I buy them itself, I wash them and I put them directly into the freezer to freeze, and I use them when I need to. So firstly, I'm going to remove the top green part of the strawberry, and I'm going to separate each strawberry that way first. Next, I'm going to wash them thoroughly and drain them to remove excess water. So guys, to note, once you take the strawberries out of the freezer and wash them, it'll be a bit soggy, but that's fine. And then next what we are going to do is we have to put the strawberries into a blender, and now we are going to blend them thoroughly into a pulp form. And while you're doing this, you can also add half green apple, or you can even avoid it. That's fine. So this is how our strawberry pulp will look after blending. Now we are going to add in 1/4 bowl of sugar. It should be white sugar. And then mix it really well. Along with the sugar, we are going to add in 1 teaspoon of corn flour. And now give it a good mix. And after you have mixed it thoroughly, so that there are no lumps anymore, you are good to keep it on the stove for boiling. Guys, please keep in mind that you shouldn't walk away when the jam is on, or when the pulp is on the stove. You need to keep stirring it in between, because you need to reduce it in quantity. And then it's going to become thick in consistency, and that's what we want. After 5 to 10 minutes of boiling, this is how it looks. And now we are going to boil it for another 5 to 6 minutes. There, now we are good to go. And now I'm going to switch off the flame, guys. As you can see that it's still boiling on low heat. So once it starts boiling, you have to reduce it to low flame. And please do not put it on high flame anytime. Initially for boiling, you can keep it on medium flame, and when it starts to boil, please reduce it to low flame. So guys, once you've removed the jam from the stovetop, it has to return back to room temperature, after which you can store it into a glass container which is really dry, and then you can store it in your fridge. So this is how I make my easy strawberry jam. It takes just around 15 to 20 minutes and you're done. So let's see in another new episode. Until then, take care and bye-bye.